everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. On this short video, I'm going to test out these handguards with just gloves, not heated gear, and see how good they are in the cold. I recently installed these, and the weather has been so crappy I've not been able to go out and actually test it and give you my overall impressions. I'll leave the video up here of that install. On this video, I'm going to go out, take it for a ride. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking on the ride, but I'm going to give you my overall impressions here at the end. And I'm taking advantage of this awesome weather that we have here in New Jersey. So I'm going to put some tunes on, and then at the end of the ride, I'll come back and give you my overall impressions and see if they really do the job in minimizing the wind. And if in fact you can use it without heated gear and just regular gloves with the heated grips that I have here on the bike. If you're new to the channel, I'm FNR. On this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right here. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. All right, let's test these handguards. I can tell you right now, I don't feel any wind on my hands. And we're doing about, I don't know, 50. You know, something as simple as this, you know, I had no idea it was gonna do so much blocking of the wind. So I'm going to keep riding here on these New Jersey backcountry roads, put some tunes on, then I'll come back to you and give you my overall impressions. I would feel the wind, but let me tell you, I feel nothing. These things are awesome. All right, so there you have it. Let me wrap this video up and transition to this awesome sunset spot where I'm going to give you my overall impressions of these handguards. Let's go there now. Well, let me show you this beautiful sunset here. So these absolutely do their job. I was not cold at all. I had the heated grips here at number 3, and I felt zero wind when I was riding, and this is what I was wearing. You can tell I have the finger cut out. Was not cold at all. So again, at least for the winter riding, This gives you an additional option when you don't want to wear that heavy glove or the heated gear all connected. I think these do an awesome, awesome job. So thumbs up to Memphis Shade. Highly, highly recommended. All right, that's going to do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of content like this one in the future. Thanks for watching.